Hi, this is Karen with the Kine gardening stuff. We have our urban worm bag here, which is filled with blue worms, and I've been gone for 3 weeks. So we'll check up on it now. Let's see. There's a little bit of condensation on part of the cover, maybe a quarter of the cover. You can't see it because the camera's not on the inside cover, but we'll go ahead and check up these guys, see how they've been doing for the last 3 weeks, and go from there. There's a little bit of what do I want to say, gnats, very few though, so that's good. Let me touch the bottom here of the bottom of the bag is unzipped and feels moist, not dry. So let's see what we have in here. All right. Don't see any food per se. There's the bag. Wow. I haven't torn it apart or anything. I want it to kind of decompose on itself, by itself. Don't know if there's any other. There's some banana skin. So that's left here from 3 weeks ago. I do see some worms. There are throughout. Now these worms are naturally thin, so hard to say whether... Now here's some more banana top with the worm on it. And maybe that's all I fed them was bananas. And maybe some bread, I'm not quite sure. There is a lot of bedding on top here. Let's see. Digging deeper, there are worms. Worms throughout. So, let me see if there's any other compostable bag in here. I can't remember if there was 1 or 2. Okay. Very little banana skins left. Put the compostable bag on the side here so I can help determine if there's more or not. No, I guess there was just 1 compostable bag, and I do want to put another one in here, but I don't see anything else really. No other types of food that has not been broken down. As I showed you, there's barely anything left of bananas, banana skins, banana stems, so they'll go pretty quick. And the worms are in here. They're just spread throughout. But I think what I will do is, since there's a lot of unprocessed bedding, I will go ahead and use their current bedding to cover food that I'm going to be giving them today. And there is another compostable bag that I want to put down, so let me go ahead and get that and the food, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here's the new compostable bag and the old compostable bag. What a difference, right? So it does compost down. I put this bag in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to put some ground eggshells. And I do have a coffee grounds, but I want to put one of these down here as well, which is a coffee filter. Got these from compliments of Starbucks. And let me put some spent coffee grounds here. Should be good. And some frozen food. Looks like there was some coffee grounds in the bag already. There's some romaine stems, some celery stems, roots. Looks like, oh yeah, these are carrots. More coffee. No, this is another romaine. Artichoke hearts. Well, I guess I can't take it apart. That's just an artichoke heart. Look at that. Another artichoke heart. Right. Oh, some mushrooms. Looks like a yellow squash. This looks like I don't know if this is bok choy or some other type of lettuce, and aloe vera. And there's some more carrots. Okay, well, let's see how they do on this. Oh, apple core. Missed the apple core. Carrot shavings. All right. Even amidst the coronavirus scare, people are still eating, getting food. These scraps were compliments of my neighbor. And yeah, people still have, you know, stuff from our worms. Food from our worms. So that's a good thing. Okay, so that's about it for this week. It wasn't covered up with anything on here on the top like plastic or anything. The cover, you know, seems to suffice. After being gone for 3 weeks, there was enough moisture in here. It's not overly wet. It's just the right amount. And we'll check back this. I don't know if I'll be doing this every week or not. Maybe every other week or once a month. We'll see how it goes here. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.